Today I'm going to be making lemon meringues. So this is what they look like. So what they look like is they look like this. We're gonna try to make those. I've actually never made them before, so let's see if they turn out good. So if you see like some hands or like noise in the background, that is actually my nanny. She is helping me. She also has a channel on YouTube, and I will post that in the down below. A link to her channel. She's cleaning up right here because we made challah, or she made challah. It's in the oven, I think. Is it in the oven?
The dough is rising in the oven.
Okay. Usually we don't put the dough in the oven, but okay. So she's made the.
You gotta put dough in the oven because you want to keep yeast warm.
We've never done that, but okay.
It's done.
So, I'm not just going to be making any meringue. I'm going to be making a honey lemon meringue. So I hope you guys can see this, right? Okay. Yeah, that's probably good. So I'm going to take my lemon squeezer majiggy thing. I'm not really sure what this is called. Yeah. And I am going to put, this in like that. Okay. So I'm really new to like this lemon stuff, so I hope that's how you do it. Right? Right?
That's how I would do it. That's how I do it. Yeah.
Okay.
So here, let me do something that I did for Jackson. Here, let me do it. Put it back on the cutting board.
Okay, we're gonna put back on the cutting board. I don't know what we're doing. Oh, yep, good idea.
You can still use both of these pieces. It just makes it easier.
Okay.
You can use all 4 of these.
Oh, I don't think we need all 4 of them. So we're just gonna put this right into there. And this. Then we're gonna get the bowl and oh, what am I doing? Oh, okay. There we go. And we got the lemon. So we don't want it to be too sour. So we're just gonna put a bit in. Okay. I'm really new to this filming thing, so if I get my finger in the camera, that is why. So I'm going to use one more. Okay. The seeds are probably going to go into there. And this is what my lemon looks like when it's squeezed. Okay, I'm going to squeeze the second lemon piece. So this I'm not following the recipe for. I am making like my own lemon honey thing. So yeah, we are done with that. Now we're going to put a tablespoon of honey in. Open it up. And okay, let's do a tablespoon of honey. Okay, we are done with the honey, but just make sure you have it all out. So just you guys, just so I can get all the honey out. A little trick that I do is I try to use like a really small spoon, and that usually gets all that honey out. So on this video camera, it is really big, but the spoon is actually really, really small. Yeah. Okay, we are done with that. Now, this may seem a bit weird, but we're gonna put it into the microwave for 5 seconds. So let's get the microwave. Open this thing up. Okay, we're going to get this, and make sure this is all in a microwave safe bowl. There we go. Let's do that, and let's do time cook and 5 seconds and start. Okay, so now we're gonna go back here. Okay, it's already done. So I'm just gonna press cancel, and there you go. Now I'm going to put these lemons in a bowl because they're still, not a bowl, a plastic bag, because they're still usable. So, there we go. Okay. So we're going to throw these into the trash can. 8. Okay. Then we're going to take that off there. We're going to put this in the sink. There. We're going to take this and put it in the dishwasher. Because all we should clean while we're going, just to give us more room. Okay, and we're going to put this into the sink too. We're going to separate 4 eggs. So we have 4 eggs right there. Okay, so we need to do 1 more egg. We're just gonna do 1 there. Okay, 1 more egg.
Charlotte,
Yeah.
we're gonna need to clean all this up after, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. We did all those eggs. Now all we have to do is make sure that there are no egg shells in there. So let's just wash my hands. And then get a spoon. And we're gonna take this egg shell out. As you can see and have seen, I am definitely not a professional at this. Okay. There we go. So, I'll be back with you in just a sec. Next up, we're going to have to take this out to do it. So this is the this is the honey and lemon mixture. So all we're going to do is we are going to mix that together. So just so you know, this is a different spoon from the egg.
Okay,
From the egg
Charlotte,
thing.
I have something to say. I don't know if you want to pause it.
We've got so far to go.
We are going to be using this on the egg whites. So if you don't know what this is, it is a mixer. I have the KitchenAid artisan. And I'm using a whisk for the mixer. If you have a hand mixer, you can also use that. But I do not have a hand mixer, so I'm using this. Okay, so we want to just pour the 4 egg whites to here. I'm gonna move around the holding of the camera. Can you please hold the camera? Thank you. And I'm going to just open. Make sure that doesn't hit that. And I'm just going to make sure this is the egg whites bowl, not the mixture. And I'm just gonna pour that in there. Next step is we're gonna put it in. And so you want to make sure it's plugged in and have supervision if you are under the age of around 9, maybe 10 and lower. So make sure that it is tight locked right there. I'm not sure if that's on you guys', but it's on mine, so you want to make sure it's tightly locked. Then, so I've made like this type of thing, what we're trying to do, the fluffy egg whites many times, and something I've learned, if it's not on high volume, it will not go. Like it will turn white, but it won't turn fluffy and thick. It will just turn white bubbly. So you want to put it not 2, not 4. Done with this, and it kind of looks like snow. So a little trick to make sure that it is like snow is to get a spoon. You want it hold on the back of the spoon. Yes, so that means it is snow. There are many other ways to see if something is snow. Choose one. Next thing that we're going to do is we are going to get a cup of sugar. Move this away, and let's get this sugar in a cup. So we're going to get a cup of sugar, but don't race to the next step, putting it in. So get a cup of sugar. Okay. Get a cup of sugar. Do not race to the next step. There's something I need to tell you before you do the next step. I need to put that away. Okay? Okay. The thing I need to tell you before we do the next step is you don't want to put it right away in. If you put it right away in, it will not be as thick and glorious. So I just put it at like the number 1 to stir, and I'm going to put